Alright, in this video we going to talk about complementary events, right? Complementary events. So what is meant by complementary events? Alright, means that the two events cannot occur at the same time. Right? For example, I talk about one event. Maybe if A happened, right? The event A happened, then A for this event will not occur, right? Will not occur. Means that, for example, okay, I give you an example. For example, A is the event where is a score from a dice that I toss, right? I toss a dice for one time, right? One time. So the score on the dice is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, right? Sorry, the sample space, right? The sample space here will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Right? So from the sample space, I know that the number of sample space, the total outcome will be 6, right? Total possible outcome. So what is the probability of getting an even number, right? Even number, 2, 4, 6, right? 2, 4, 6. So means that it's 3 out of 6, right? Definitely, you know that the odd number is the complementary events of even number. Means that even number is the complementary event for odd number. What is meant by complementary events? Means that if you get the even number is 1 over 2, definitely you get an odd number will be also 1 over 2. In this case here, because why? If you are not odd number, not even number, definitely you are the odd number, right? So means they cannot happen at the same time, right? Is either is an even number or is an odd number, right? So if I draw it into a Venn diagram, means that, okay, for example, this is an even number, right? For example, I define even number to be an event E, right? So the even number, the element inside here will be 2, 4, and 6, right? The complementary element, all right, of these events, all right, will be means that the E prime here, so will be 1, 3, and 5, right? So this total, the total element 1, 2, 3, total up will be all the elements in the sample space. This is called the complementary events. If it is even number, it will not be a odd number. All right. When you choose a number, when you toss a dice for one time, right? It's either you getting even or odd number, right? They cannot happen together, right? So this is also the complementary event. So means that the probability, okay, for example, if I have a set, okay, I'm using a more general way. So let's say this is set A. So outside of this region here will be the region that I shaded here will be the A prime. Now we read this to be A prime. Alright, sometimes it may represent in bar, right? Sometimes it can be represented by an asterisk. Okay, but these two you have to be more popular, right? So means they are complement to each other, right? The two events. So means that the probability, the conclusion here very simple, right? The probability of A plus the probability of complement of A or A prime must be total 1, right? 1. Or we can say that the probability of the complement events of A will be 1 minus probability of A, right? So this is the meaning of complementary events. So I have used this example to explain. Hope you understand. A simple understanding is enough for complementary events.